Hi guys, and today we're going to be making a sound sandwich. So what you need is 2 lollipop sticks, 1 big elastic band, 2 bits of straw that you shook through, 2 small elastic bands. So what you have to do is you have to get a lollipop stick and a straw. Get a lollipop stick and the big elastic band. So then you put the big elastic band round the lollipop stick, like that. And then you get a straw, get the other piece of your lollipop stick, you get a small elastic band, and then what you do after that, so you pull it down, twist it around, like that. It looks like that. And then do the same on the other side. So, and then you can have fun with it.